Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Things Simplified. Let's learn Python. In the last video we saw in detail list and its methods. Today we will have a look on dictionary and its methods. Okay, so let us create one dictionary. The make will be Samsung, model is S8, price is rupees 50,000. Okay, now since we have created one dictionary, let us display the contents of the item model. How to do it? Print dict1 is the name of the dictionary. Okay, dot get within bracket model, name of the item here. Okay, let us see whether it displays S8. Let us run this program. Right, so it has displayed S8 here. S8 is the model name, and the name of the dictionary dot get, and the name of the item you have to specify within double quotes within brackets, right? So this is how we can get the values of any particular item in a dictionary. Now we will see how to remove the last item and its value from the dictionary. We will see now dict1 dot pop item. Okay, pop item will remove the last item and its value. Now let us print dictionary and check. Right, so let us run this and check whether this price item has gone or not, has been deleted or not. Right, so only two remained, make and model. We have removed the last item and its value from this. Okay, now let us check how many items are there in the dictionary. To display the number of items, we will have to use a length function. Say print length of dictionary, name of the dictionary. Okay, let us check this now. Right, so it has displayed length as 2. Now let us add this price back. How to do it? So say dict1, okay, within square bracket we will have to specify the name of the item, price equal to 50,000. Right, by doing this we can add an item. Now if this item is existing already, it will update the value of the item with this value. Now we are giving the same value. So let us check whether this has been added or not. Print dict1. Okay, now we will run this and check. Right, so first time we removed the last item, that is the price, and now we added this price back. Okay, so again the dictionary became with the 3 items. Right, now we will see how to print the values of every item. We can do it in this way. Print dict1 dot values. It will print only the values. Let us check. Now see, it will print only the values, that is the Samsung S8, and these are the values of the items make, model and price respectively. Now we can also print, we can also get the name of the items by doing this: print dict1 dot keys. Okay, now it will print the keys. Right, so it has printed make, model and price. Next, we will suppose now we want to make a copy of this dictionary, dict1. Let us make it as dict2. Okay, dict2 is equal to dict1 dot copy. Now we will check whether it has copied or not. Dict2. We will run this and check. Right. So now dict2 is similar to the dict1 dictionary. Right. This is how we can copy. Now we will check the items. What are the items here? Print dict1 dot items. Just as we saw the values separately and the keys separately. Now this items will show you the details of every item and its value. Let us execute it and check. Okay, now see here, items will print the entire details, like individual item and its value, individual item and its value here, right? This is how we can get the details of the dictionary. Now suppose you want to clear all the items and their values from a dictionary, that is, you want to empty the dictionary. We have another method of called as clear. Now suppose print will say dict2, we will clear the details of the dict2 dictionary, clear. Okay, now print this dictionary, dict2 clear. Dict2 here, right? So now we will run this and check whether the dictionary 2 has been cleared or not. Right. So now here after executing this clear method, the dictionary became empty. So only 2 braces are appearing here. It means that all the items and their values have gone. Now what if we want to update the values? We have already seen one, that is dict1, the name of the item is equal to. Another method is we can use an update method. How to do it? Dict1 dot update. Okay. Now we have to specify the item and its new value. We'll check. We will change the price. The column new price 60,000. Okay. Close the curly braces and the round brackets. Now we will check whether this price has been updated to 60,000. print dict1, right? So let us execute this and check. Yes, now the price has been changed to 60,000. Now as we saw, we removed last item. We can remove any item from the dictionary by using a pop method. So how to do it? Dict1 dot pop, okay, and here name of the item. Suppose now we want to remove price, okay, price, enter. Now we can check the dictionary. Let us run this again. Okay, now here this price item has been deleted. That is, we used pop and the name of the item, whereas we used only pop item, that is, it will remove the last item and its value. Okay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful and informative, make sure to like the video, to show your support. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and ask questions. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Share this video with friends who might need it. If you encountered any issues or have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. I am here to help.